Today we want to look at 3 methods of eye and teeth whitening using Photoshop, and I've already opened my image with me here. So what you will do, you simply click on your filters in Photoshop. Now to give you another menu, change this warm filter to the cooling filter. After that, press Command I on your keyboard to invert the image and get to your brush tool. You can adjust the size and simply move it over the areas of the teeth that we want to whiten. Using the second method, we shall use the black and white layer. Simply click here on black and white adjustment layer, and your image will turn to black and white. Press Command I on your keyboard to invert the image. Now, still using your brush tool, move your brush over the areas of the teeth, and as you can observe already, the areas where we have moved the brush over is already turning to white. And that is done too. So moving on to our last method, we're going to use the hue and saturation. So simply click here, go to hue and saturation. Now to give you this menu, now change this option from master to yellows. So you'll find that in most of our images, the eyes and the teeth sometimes have a yellowish color, and it's what we want to change. So turn down the saturation to -100 and increase the lightness, and still press Command I on your keyboard to invert. Now, still using our brush tool, we're going to move our brush over areas of the teeth. So those are the methods we can use for eye and teeth whitening using Photoshop. You can feel free to share this video with all those who want to learn Photoshop editing, and if it has helped you, please like it, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. Thank you so much.